My name is William Snowden, and I'm a professor of exercise and sports science at Keiser University in Tampa, Florida.
My name is Dr. Dawn Laverty, and my position here is full-time instructor for the exercise and sports science department.
I chose Keiser for the simple fact that it had a holistic wellness kind of program, meaning that we're not going to be able to administer medications. We're not going to be able to do any of that kind of fun stuff, but we can test people. And then we can say what will get you better without using any medicinal interventions or anything of that. We mix a little bit of Western with a little bit of Eastern technologies.
We can make such an impact on individuals, whether they're athletes, general population. We try to encourage longevity, not just, okay, it's exercise and it's eating right, but the holistic aspect.
For the most part, as you being a healthy human performer, personal trainer, whatever you are, you control that narrative and you get to manipulate, okay, is this person gonna continue to have a bad day? Or are they gonna get done with this workout and be like, you know what, I've had a bad day, but I feel great.
The best thing about being here all together is that we get students from every walk of life. They all bring in their experience, whether it's from the military, whether it's from high school. It lets us all learn every single day. And the best thing I like about it is that I get to learn every single day.
They've just always given me opportunities to, Greg, if you want to learn more, go do more, go learn more, and give me an opportunity to better myself and learn something new so I could bring something different to the table. And they've always brought that to me.
We are there to guide you and to take that step to get educated and follow your passion.
We're here for whatever the students need whenever they walk in the door. And one of the greatest things about this job is we don't know what you're going to need when you walk in the door. If we can make that adaptation, if we can help you out, if we can help push you forward, then that's what we want to do. And so I think the Keiser family, all 5 floors of this institution, I think we all support one another.
Kind of a family culture here. We support them through open communication, making sure that they have what they need and making them feel safe and comfortable within the classroom. I get phone calls after hours, it's fine. We want to help them as much as possible.
From the first class on to when I graduated with my bachelor's, it felt like family. That's always what you yearn for as a vet. You want that family feel that you used to have in the military, and it's very hard to find it, and I found it.
And I was with the Super Bowl 37 team with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. It's just a feeling bringing home the first Super Bowl to that town. I want to bring home that kind of experience with them and let them ignite a fire. My end goal is to help them find their real why. Everybody comes to school with an idea of what they think they may want to do, but life changes. And so I want them to find out their real why before they walk out the door and come back with that same passion that I still have 20 years after accomplishing something.
Don't come in here thinking you know it all, because you're gonna definitely learn some stuff from Professor Snowden and Dr. Laverty. These are people who have been in their respective positions, trained with the highest level of people in their respective positions you could think of for 20 years plus. That's what really made me understand, like, these are the people that I want to be around, that I have to learn from, because they really have done it before I even was thought of.
When I took a job with the Buccaneers, we were one of the losingest teams in NFL history. And all of a sudden we won a Super Bowl. You know, you just never know what tomorrow brings. And tomorrow might bring you your Super Bowl, whatever that Super Bowl is.
End goal for students that attend here at Keiser in this program to follow their passion. Once they find their path, whether it is leading towards chiropractic school or athletic training or physical therapy, we want them to feel they have the knowledge base, the foundation to move on for further education or to then start their careers.
I've been here with the other professor, Dr. Laverty, for a little over 10 years. We've been together and we've been inspiring our students to do great things, or so we hope.
Time has gone by so fast, and I can't tell you how proud I am of the students that we have seen graduate from this program and be extremely successful. To hear that just makes me personally feel like I've made an impact.